New York, New York. In a surprising turn of events within the cryptocurrency space, PiNetwork, PI, a blockchain project initially launched as a mobile mining experiment, is making waves on major crypto ranking platforms. As of May 8, 2025, PI has surged in popularity, ranking among the top trending cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, alongside dominant players like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL. PiNetwork's recent uptick in both price and market activity reflects growing investor interest and speculation surrounding the project's long-awaited Mainnet launch and adoption trajectory. With its current price standing at approximately $0.6229, the coin has seen a daily gain of over 6.8%, pushing its market capitalization to an estimated $4.38 billion. This places PiNetwork firmly at rank number 27 on CoinMarketCap, an achievement that signals its growing legitimacy in the broader cryptocurrency market. Unlike traditional blockchain projects, PiNetwork utilized a consensus algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, which allows users to earn PI tokens through a simplified form of mining via mobile phones. This unique mining model has contributed to the platform's explosive user growth, reportedly exceeding 60 million users worldwide by early 2025. Pi's strategy centers on community building first, with the eventual goal of migrating to a fully functional open mainnet, where PI tokens will become tradable across multiple decentralized and centralized platforms. The current value of the token is based on IOU or IOU listings and internal ecosystem usage, as the token has not yet been officially listed for unrestricted exchange trading. Current market metrics and trading performance. According to live data as of May 8, 2025, current price, 62.29 cents USD. 24-hour price change, plus 6.8%. Market capitalization approximately $4.38 billion. Circulating supply over 7 billion PI tokens. CoinMarketCap ranking number 27. These metrics reflect strong trading volume across various exchanges where IOU listings are offered, even as the broader market continues to experience mixed sentiment. PiNetwork's price action today signals not just speculative enthusiasm, but possibly a growing confidence among users and investors that the project will deliver on its long-term roadmap, which includes mainnet decentralization, mass KYC or Know Your Customer verification, and Pi-based app ecosystem development. Speculation and projections. Where is PI headed next? Cryptocurrency analysts are increasingly weighing in on the future value of PiNetwork's native token. Forecasts vary widely, reflecting both the enthusiasm and the uncertainty surrounding the project. In a conservative scenario, some analysts predict that PI could rise to $2.10 by the end of 2025. This projection is grounded in assumptions of successful open mainnet launch, integration of real-world use cases, and gradual market adoption. Others are more optimistic. Under bullish conditions, such as mass adoption, wide exchange listing, and use of PI as a transactional currency, some long-term forecasts suggest that PI could hit as high as $50 per token by 2025 and potentially $402 by 2030. However, these figures are speculative and depend on multiple external factors. Applications or dApps on its blockchain via the Pi browser and Pi SDK. A robust application ecosystem could enhance the coin's utility and long-term demand, KYC and compliance. One of the hurdles Pi faces is verifying the identities of millions of users. The success of its KYC program will determine the legitimacy of accounts and prevent fraudulent activity, thereby improving investor confidence. Regulatory environment. Like all cryptocurrencies, PiNetwork operates within the uncertain waters of global financial regulation. Favorable policy conditions could support its growth, while increased scrutiny or legal hurdles may dampen adoption. Global partnerships and utility integration. The integration of Pi into real-world businesses and services, especially within developing economies, could drastically improve its perceived value. Projects involving Pi-based payments, barter systems, or smart contracts will be crucial indicators of viability. community-driven momentum. Another unique aspect of PiNetwork is its deeply engaged and decentralized community, known as pioneers. The network's growth has largely been fueled by grassroots campaigns, user referrals, and ecosystem barter events in countries like Indonesia, China, Nigeria, and Brazil. These pioneers have played a critical role in advocating for Pi's adoption, often setting local prices for goods and services denominated in Pi. This user-driven model stands in contrast to other top-down crypto launches and could prove to be a long-term strength. Skepticism and caution remain. Despite its recent surge, PiNetwork is not without controversy. Critics point to the long road ahead. Additionally, the IOU-based listings on some exchanges can lead to price discrepancies and confusion among investors. Until the open Mainnet is fully operational and tokens are tradable directly from user wallets, concerns about valuation and liquidity are likely to persist. Conclusion: a project to watch closely. As of May 8, 2025, PiNetwork is undeniably one of the most closely watched blockchain projects in the world. With a massive user base, a novel mobile mining model, and an impending Mainnet launch, the token has captured the attention of both retail and institutional observers.
Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis stands as a prominent figure in the world of cryptocurrency. He is the driving force behind PiNetwork. This ambitious project aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Dr. Kokkalis' vision centers on creating a user-friendly and inclusive digital currency. He wants to empower individuals globally. Kokalis' journey to PiNetwork is paved with impressive achievements. His academic background is remarkable. He holds a PhD and master's degree from Stanford University. He also earned a master's from the University of Toronto and a computer science engineer degree from the University of Crete. His expertise in decentralized systems and human-computer interaction shines through in PiNetwork's design. Dr. Kokkalis' passion for empowering individuals through technology extends beyond PiNetwork. He is the founder of StartX, a renowned startup accelerator. StartX has supported over 1,300 startups. It provides them with the resources and guidance they need to succeed. This commitment to fostering innovation underscores Dr. Kokkalis' dedication to making a positive impact on the world. Dr. Kokkalis' journey is a testament to his unwavering belief in the transformative power of technology. His vision for PiNetwork is clear. He wants to create a more inclusive and accessible financial future for everyone. His leadership and expertise have been instrumental in bringing this vision to life. PiNetwork distinguishes itself through unique mobile-first mining and accessibility. Dr. Kokkalis and his team recognize the barriers to entry in traditional cryptocurrencies. Mining Bitcoin requires specialized hardware and significant energy. PiNetwork aims to create an inclusive and sustainable cryptocurrency ecosystem. Its mobile-first mining mechanism is central to this approach. PiNetwork uses the security circle consensus algorithm. This allows users to mine Pi coins without excessive battery drain. Leveraging social networks ensures blockchain integrity and environmental friendliness. PiNetwork emphasizes accessibility and user-friendliness. The app provides a seamless experience for mining and transacting. This focus aims to onboard a global user base. Dr. Kokkalis believes cryptocurrency should be accessible to everyone. PiNetwork emphasizes community building. Users are encouraged to invite friends and family to join their security circles. This enhances network security and fosters a vibrant community. PiNetwork's active forums and social media channels support community engagement. The launch of the Open Network on February 20, 2025, marked a significant milestone in PiNetwork's journey. This event transitioned PiNetwork to a more open and interconnected network. It was a crucial step towards Dr. Kokkalis' vision of a widely accessible cryptocurrency, opening new possibilities for PiNetwork and its community of pioneers, introducing ecosystem tools to enhance user experience. The Pi browser allows access to Pi-powered applications. The Pi wallet provides a secure interface for managing Pi coins, empowering pioneers to engage with the Pi ecosystem innovatively. paving the way for Mainnet apps on the PiNetwork blockchain, leveraging blockchain for diverse services like social networking and e-commerce, expanding the utility of Pi coins and driving adoption. The open network launch is a significant step towards PiNetwork's goals, marking the beginning of a new chapter with increased functionality and utility. The open network will serve as the foundation for a more inclusive and decentralized digital future. Section 5. Binance listing rumors, fueling speculation and price surge. Rumors of a potential Binance listing have sent ripples of excitement through the PiNetwork community.
Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, holds significant influence in the crypto market.
Reports of on-chain activity suggest potential testing of PiNetwork transactions by Binance. The anticipation has impacted Picoin's price, surging by 11% to 65 cents. Trading volume also skyrocketed by 133% to over $100 million.
However, it's essential to approach these rumors with caution. As of today, May 9th, 2025, neither Binance nor the Pi core team has officially confirmed a listing.
Section 6. Consensus 2025. Dr. Kokalis takes center stage. Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis is set to take center stage at Consensus 2025, one of the most influential cryptocurrency and blockchain conferences globally. The event, scheduled for May 14th to 16th, 2025 in Toronto, Canada, will bring together leading figures from the blockchain industry, policymakers, investors, and enthusiasts. Dr. Kokkalis' participation in Consensus 2025 presents a significant opportunity to showcase PiNetwork's progress, vision, and potential to a global audience. As a keynote speaker at Consensus 2025, Dr. Kokkalis is expected to provide insights into PiNetwork's roadmap, technological advancements, and plans for the future. His presentation is highly anticipated by the PiNetwork community and the broader blockchain space. Attendees will be eager to hear Dr. Kokkalis' perspective on the evolving cryptocurrency landscape and PiNetwork's role in shaping the future of finance. PiNetwork's presence at Consensus 2025 extends beyond Dr. Kokkalis' keynote speech. The project is also a sponsor of the event, further demonstrating its commitment to engaging with the blockchain community and fostering collaboration within the industry. This sponsorship will provide PiNetwork with valuable exposure and networking opportunities. Dr. Kokkalis' participation in Consensus 2025 highlights PiNetwork's growing prominence within the blockchain space. His presence at this prestigious event serves as a testament to the project's progress and its potential to disrupt the traditional financial system. The PiNetwork community eagerly awaits Dr. Kokkalis' presentation, which is sure to shed light on the exciting developments in store for PiNetwork. Section 7. Community sentiment, a blend of excitement and skepticism. The PiNetwork community is abuzz with a mix of excitement and skepticism as the project navigates its open network phase and grapples with Binance listing rumors. The community, composed of millions of pioneers worldwide, plays a vital role in PiNetwork's growth and development. Their sentiment reflects the project's progress, challenges, and future prospects. The excitement within the community is palpable. The open network launch, coupled with the potential for a Binance listing, has generated significant optimism about PiNetwork's future. Pioneers are eager to witness the realization of Dr. Kokkalis' vision and the potential for Picoin to become a widely adopted and valuable cryptocurrency. However, skepticism also persists within the community. Some pioneers express concerns about the lack of concrete information regarding the Binance listing. The absence of an official announcement from either Binance or the Pi core team has led to uncertainty and speculation. Furthermore, some pioneers remain cautious about the project's long-term viability, particularly given the volatility and uncertainty that often characterize the cryptocurrency market. Despite the skepticism, the PiNetwork community remains largely engaged and supportive. Pioneers actively participate in the project's development through mining, community building, and providing feedback to the Pi core team. The community's passion for PiNetwork stems from a shared belief in its potential to create a more inclusive and accessible financial system. Section 8. The Road Ahead, Challenges and Opportunities for PiNetwork. As PiNetwork progresses through its open network phase, it faces both significant challenges and promising opportunities. Navigating these challenges and capitalizing on these opportunities will be crucial for PiNetwork to achieve its ambitious goals and solidify its position as a leading cryptocurrency. One of the primary challenges facing PiNetwork is achieving mainstream adoption. While the project boasts a large and active community of pioneers, transitioning this community into active users of PiCoin in everyday transactions remains a key hurdle. The success of PiNetwork's ecosystem apps and the integration of PiCoin into various online and offline platforms will be critical in driving adoption beyond the core community. Another challenge lies in establishing a robust and secure infrastructure for the PiNetwork blockchain. As the network grows and handles an increasing volume of transactions, ensuring its scalability, security, and resilience will be paramount. The PiCore team must continue to invest in research and development to address potential vulnerabilities and ensure the long-term stability of the PiNetwork blockchain. Despite these challenges, PiNetwork is well positioned to capitalize on several opportunities. The growing interest in cryptocurrency and the increasing demand for accessible and user-friendly digital assets create a favorable environment for PiNetwork's growth. The project's mobile-first approach, emphasis on community building, and commitment to financial inclusion resonate with a global audience eager to participate in the digital economy. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of PiNetwork in the balance. The future of PiNetwork hangs in the balance, poised between the promise of revolutionizing the financial landscape and the uncertainty that accompanies any ambitious endeavor. The project's success hinges on its ability to overcome challenges, capitalize on opportunities, and deliver on its promises to its growing community of pioneers. Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis' vision for PiNetwork is ambitious yet clear: to create a world where everyone has access to the benefits of cryptocurrency. The project's innovative approach to mining, its user-friendly design, and its commitment to community building have garnered significant attention and support. However, the road ahead for PiNetwork is not without its obstacles. Achieving mainstream adoption, establishing a robust infrastructure, and navigating the ever-evolving regulatory landscape will be critical for the project's long-term success. Ultimately, the future of PiNetwork rests in the hands of its community and the dedication of its development team. If PiNetwork can maintain its momentum, address its challenges head-on, and deliver on its promises, it has the potential to reshape the financial landscape and empower millions worldwide. Only time will tell if PiNetwork can fulfill its ambitious vision and cement its place as a transformative force in the world of cryptocurrency.